Quant really faces medium-term resistance at $270.58 in a kind of important way. The present trading volume of Quant specifically is 14773.5529, which is really important in every way that matters. Quant is down about 0.43 in the last 24 hours, which is a big deal. July 2023, in this video, we will walk you through the Quant cost exam for now or the next week and try to answer the most frequently asked questions about important facts. What the real-world price expectations are for Quant is Quant a very smart venture that is very large in terms of support and opposition levels, etc., despite what most people think. However, before we got too deep into the Quant technical analysis, we talked about the real-world economy. The overall trading volume stays at 2,477,659,7794 in a way that doesn't draw attention to itself. Quant is down about 0.43 in the last 24 hours, which is a big deal. Bitcoin has 49.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum only has 16.33%, or so they thought. This led to Bitcoin's price dropping to 30,513.42 cents after a loss of 0.19, which is a big drop compared to other digital currencies. During the last 24 hours, Ethereum's price dropped by 0.51 cents to 1915.50, which is a very important number to keep in mind when sharing this blog. BNB traded at 244.84 cents after its value changed by 0.97 in the same time period. In a really significant way, XRP, the local coin, went up by 1.54 and is now trading at 48 cents, so the total trading volume stayed at 24771,659,794. Quant has dropped about 0.43 in the last 24 hours, and it looks like they thought that was pretty interesting. After losing 0.77 of its value, Coco's BCX went down to 60 cents, which is a very important number. These events clearly show that the market is going in a buy and large downward direction for the time being. Right now, a particularly large and unfortunate drop can be seen all over the crypto market. Quant support, opposition, and resistance are important technical markers used to identify key price levels where the pattern can go in a different direction. Support is a level where buyers become more active and keep the coin's price from falling further. Similarly, resistance is a level where sellers become more active and keep the coin's price from going up. This is what caused Bitcoin's price to drop to $30,513.42 after a 0.19 drop. Value analysis shows the amount of execution. Market data Quant specifically is trading at 110.72 cents, and it has a trading volume of 14773.5529, which is a lot. However, Quant specifically has lost 0.43 in value over the last 24 hours. Quant cost changes 3.91 over the course of the week, with a total market value of $1,336,740,007.44. Especially more look at how Quant has become more positive over the past week. Getting 3.91 incredibly Quant value analysis, Quant cost analysis for 0 to 2 July 2023 insight and especially daily time period really made sense below. Generally, contrary to what most people think, we use a relative strength index, RSI, that is going in a normal way. Union indifference mapped backing levels obstruction levels different time span moving midpoints including kind of simple moving really normal small and amazing moving average EMA to figure out how the Quant will change in the future. So Bitcoin has 49.56% of the entry market while Ethereum has 16.33%, which is really important. The type of relative strength file RSI shows that the Quant coin is really trading in an overbought stage, since RSI is at 87, and Quant as a whole is moving in a really downward direction. Bears especially take the coin below the quick help level of 138.68 to show how we use everything that matters. Relative Strength Index RSI moving certainly normal combination and disparity mapped backing levels obstruction levels different time span moving midpoints including certainly basic moving commonly normal small and dramatic moving genuinely normal EMA to generally examine the future development of the quant. So Bitcoin shares 49.56% of the entry market while Ethereum in every practical sense has a predominance of 16.33 and a truly significant manner presently QNTR to generally track down a help at 95.4018 cents or more than likely the merchants could then focus on the urgent help level put at 314.12 which shows that the sort of relative strength file RSI demonstrates that the QNT coin especially is exchanging overbought stage as RSI in a real sense is at 87 or so they especially thought the MACD line truly is remaining above of the in every practical sense signal line after and in every practical sense positive hybrid which explicitly shows that quant backing and opposition backing and obstruction by and large are significant specialized pointers used to generally distinguish especially key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Quant financial investors just need to wait for a change in direction on the daily graph. Right now, a fundamentally broad bad drop can be seen across the crypto market, but QNT's Williams percent R pointer is at 21.441 for the last 14 days. Which shows that the market is in a neutral state. The trade pretty sign is almost certainly possible at this point, which shows that we use Bitcoin price prediction. BTC stays at $30,500 as the market waits for June inflation data. At the moment, the price of Bitcoin is $30,628, which is a rise of almost 0.5% from Wednesday. As the market waits for June's inflation figures to be released, the cryptocurrency market is on standby to see how it might affect Bitcoin's performance. Notably, CBOE has refiled 5 Bitcoin ETFs that now include Coinbase monitoring agreements. This adds to the growing interest in the cryptocurrency market and the new things that could happen in it. The crypto market is waiting for June's inflation data to come out. Inflation in the US is expected to drop to its lowest level in more than 2 years in June. But prices for core goods and services are still going up, which suggests that the Federal Reserve is likely to keep raising interest rates. Economists think that the consumer price index will slow to 3.1%, which would be the slowest rate since March 2021. This could make people more likely to think that the Federal Reserve will tighten its monetary policy, which could affect Bitcoin's performance as buyers look at how interest rates and inflationary pressures might change. Thoughts from Bybit's head financial engineer on predicting BTC price growth during rate slowdown. Chen thinks that the